Okay guys, so we are in Coplin Street to Boston College. Perfect. Oh, ano yun?
New York to
New York to Connecticut. Oh, nga pala, Connecticut to
Rhode Island.
To Rhode Island.
Rhode Island to Boston. Ayun. Guwapo.
Ayan, Boston na.
Boston! Welcome to Boston.
Ayan, ganda kay ate. Kasi harap siya. Makuha.
Yun na, north to Binbior.
Thank you, Lord. Kaya nga, alam mo yung sabi nga na, oh, this is Boston, te. Ay, Harvard. Harvard, here we are. Just go, Lord.
Ayan.
Yawa. Ikaw, ha? Hindi ka nag-graduate, pero think of it. Ha?
Wow. University Tufts.
Bedford, Malden.
This one is going to Bedford, Malden.
Oy, Bedford. Famous yan, di ba? Dito, tita.
Dito na ako sa Boston. This is all the outlet. Levi's, Adidas, Steve Madden, American Eagle, Pandora, Coach. But they are still closed because time check, guys, 9:30 in the morning, still closed. So we're going to Subway now and we're going to Harvard University, guys. Whew. I'm here in the Bath and Body Polo Ralph Roller. Okay, Coach over there, Adidas, Calvin Klein, Sephora. I buy Sephora yesterday in Rhode Island. Wow, Yankee Candles. And this is a fragrance outlet. Yeah. Wow, clearance sales. Clearance sales. 70% here in Columbia shop. And there is Mass General Brigham. And this is the Cambridge Saving Banks. There you go. We are here now in Assembly. Orange line, all trains here. So we're going upstairs, guys. Okay, that one is Assembly subway station. So guys, here, that is the train.
No. Your train will say this, but you get off here.
Okay.
Okay.
It says
Harvard.
Harvard Station.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So we are here now, guys. In the MTR all train here in Boston, going to Harvard University. Harvard.
Excuse me. Right up there.
You don't know how long you didn't determine for one.
Harvard cannot breathe.
Okay na? Oo, buo. Okay na. Si tita madali. Alright. Isa pa. Ang nasa loob niya, Cambridge.
So we are here now in Boston Library, the Commonwealth Education People Safeguard Order Library here. That's it. Yeah. Western. And then there you go. Okay.
Nang picture na video.
Sandali.
Wait, pa-picture ako. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So guys, we are here in the library here in Boston. So guys, we are here now in Boston Library. We are inside na in Boston Library. It's not allowed to make it noise. Boston Library.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Nang picture na video.
No, it's no. guys, so dito na kami ngayon sa Freedom of Trail here in Boston. So you go. Freedom of Trail. Beautiful.
Start shooting people. I think
Mm.
it's like almost 5,000 Americans passport.
Oh, here?
Dito sila minasakor.
Dito sila minasakay na.
Dito sila pinatay.
Pinatay sila kasi yung mga white people. Yeah. Paglaban ng kanilang freedom, kaya pinatay daw yung mga people dito. Mga English people.